Hello everyone, this is Ari from Tech with King and I'm back another new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run Windows 7 in your Android phone. So without any wasting of time, so let's get started. First of all, you have to download the Limbo App application. The link in the description, you can check out there and download from there. And the second thing is Windows ISO file. Both the files are the link in the description. You can check out there and download from there. While downloading you get some ads, but you have to manage that. Just you have to click to download button, then it will be automatically downloaded. So here is the Limbo application, and the second file is windows 7.qcow2. so this is the Windows 7 iOS file. Let me show you the properties of this file. So it is 1.85 GB. So as you can see, this is the file. You have to download this file, the link in the description, and the Limbo application. So first of all, you have to open the Limbo application. At first attempt it takes some time, so you have to click to here none, then click to new. In my previous video I already shown about this Limbo application, and I already installed Windows XP in our Android phone. Now I'm going to install Windows 7, so name it Windows 7 and click to create. So now architecture 86. Make sure what I am doing you have to do same like that only. Machine type PC, CPU default, make it code duo. CPU cores select as maximum. So memory RAM, so here you have to very careful. I am going to select here 600 MB of RAM. Sometimes you can select about 1 GB, but this application uses your phone RAM, so make sure your phone RAM is clear about 1 GB, then you have to select the 1 GB. But my phone RAM is only 600 or 800 MB left, so that's why I'm select the 600. Now you have to click hard disk storage, hard disk A, click to none, click to open, and you have to select where you have to download it, that Windows iOS file, and here Windows 7 folder. So here is the Windows 7.qcow2. I have selected this file, so you have to select this file, and VGA display STD. If it will not work with STD, you can select VMware here. So I'm going to select this STD. If this will not work, then I'm going to select that. And boot from device, you have to click to hard disk, user infrastructure, VNC. If VNC will not work, then you have to select to SDL, landscape, English, full screen. Then you have to select high priority. It will uncheck, you have to check to click to on high priority. So make sure all the things are same as it that I show in the video. Then you have to click to play button. Connecting to VM display, so it will landscape your mobile phone. So as you can see, Windows started at loading here. It will ask you to start Windows normally, so click to back button, and then you can see keyboard logo over here, and click to that and click to enter and click to back, and wait till the Windows start. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes approximately to start Windows. Let's forward this video. So finally, after 15 to 20 minutes, full Windows have successfully loaded in our Android phone. As you can see in the video, the mouse trackpad is working with our finger touch only. So here is the Windows 7. So this is the Windows 7 Lite version, as you can see working. So here is the Windows. If you need to run keyboard, you have just click to back and you have to click to keyboard button. So here is the more functions: Control C, Control Alt delete. You can see in the video, in our Android phone, Windows 7 has successfully loaded fully Windows 7. So this is the Windows 7 Lite version, and I already given of this link in the link in the description. You have to download that file only, other file will not work, and you have to use Limbo only, it will work in Limbo. So here is the Windows 7, as you can see in the video. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes to load full Windows, and it's still loading. As you can see, it takes some time. After fully loaded, it will work smoothly, not that much, but it will work. So that's it for this video. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, click to bell icon, like this video, share this video. If you want more videos related to Limbo or related to Windows in Android, so let me know in the comments. If you have any question or problem, let me know in the comments.